Today I'm doing a huge declutter and clean of my entire closet, which is well overdue. I just have a lot of crap in there that I need to get rid of. But before we get into cleaning, I do want to thank you all for supporting my channel. And I also want to announce the giveaway winner for the $50 Bath & Body Works gift card. So the giveaway winner is right here. Congratulations. I will reach out to you through whatever point of contact you left when you entered into the giveaway. Also, if you missed out on this giveaway, I will be doing another giveaway for the month of November. So just keep supporting my channel, keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing my videos, and look out for the next giveaway. I'm going to give you guys a full overview of my closet, and let's get cleaning. So as you can see, the floor is a mess. I don't even know how we walk in here to get clothes, but I'm gonna just clear off the floor first and just start from there.
I'm addicted to the love that you're giving. Every minute, every day I've been craving. I don't wanna get you out of my system, no, 'cause I like the way it feels when you touch me. You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh babe, all I'm thinking about is when you come around. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 'Cause you got me. Play the game just like a pro, didn't stand a chance. You took it all, yeah, you won by a landslide. Oh babe, left your trademark on my cheek, now I'm all yours. Got me calling you up at night just to hear your voice. You got me good. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You got me good.
Here is the progress that I've made so far. Now I'm gonna just remove all the clothes and go through the clothes that I'm gonna keep, and then whatever I don't want to keep, I'll just donate. And I do share a closet with my husband, so he's gonna have to go through his stuff at a later time, and this isn't all of his stuff. Oh, I'm sorry you guys. I'm out of breath. But this isn't all of his stuff. Like all of his normal clothes that he wears is still packed away because our closet has just been a hot mess since we've moved in here. But I'm finally getting it together, and then he'll be able to, you know, hang all of his clothes up.
You got me good. Oh baby, all I'm thinking about is when you come around. 'Cause you got me good. Oh yeah. You got me.
You guys, look at my room. A hot mess, right? But I got a few more things left in the closet that I'm gonna take out. So this is how the closet is looking. These are all hubby's shoes. And then this is what he have in the closet as of right now. And now I'm gonna just go through all of my clothes and get my clothes back into the closet.
What you hiding from me? What you holding back? I think I saw you with another. I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade. I thought you would see me crying, would you? No, don't have to clarify it. My worth, I think I saw you with another.
So I went through all my clothes, and everything on the bed is what I'm keeping. And then this pile on the floor, I'll be donating. I'm gonna try and color coordinate, but I don't know how that's gonna turn out, but I'm definitely gonna try my best.
Over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade, yeah. But I don't mind, no, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade. I'll play you, I know, no. I'll play, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade.
And here is my progress. I got all of my clothes hung up, and then hubby, he's just gonna have to hang all his clothes up on his own. And then I separated my leggings, my gym tops, and my hats.